In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV using your laptop. If you're looking to stream games directly on your computer, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. To watch live football on your laptop, start by opening a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox and go to tv.youtube.com. Log into your YouTube TV account or sign up if you're new to the service. Once logged in, browse the channel lineup to find the game you want to watch, such as ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC. Click on the channel or game to start streaming instantly. You can use full screen mode for a better viewing experience and adjust the video quality based on your internet speed. Additionally, you can set reminders or record games using the Cloud DVR feature directly from the website. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV with your laptop, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.